bet you could have used a minute, just a little time alone. But you let me be your little shadow, following wherever you would go. Then I got a little older, and you gave me space to grow. I don't ever seem to tell you enough, but I want you to know, when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. I come to you with all my secrets, and you never ever judge. And when I'm falling in my weakness, you give me strength to stand back up. No amount of miles could separate us, no place where I don't feel your love.
Ma, happy birthday, ma. Amping na termi. Na ako import, ma. Happy birthday to you, Ate Halia. Happy birthday, Ate Liha. Happy birthday, Ate Aliha. Ate Aliha. Aliha. Ako import.
Hello po, masalo. Talagang po. Happy birthday po. Ingat ka po, guys. Sana po magkisa tayo po. God bless you po. Happy birthday!
Ayan si Aliha, happy birthday, happy birthday! God health always, more birthdays to come, more candles to blow, mwah mwah mwah, chup chup, we miss you!
Ana Aliha, happy birthday! Sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay para samahan mo yung mga apo at mga anak mo. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Hello, mayong buntag, Mana Aliha, happy birthday. Pag-amping sa imong kaugalingon, na mamayo permi imong lawas, na huwag kay mga sakit-sakit para maabot og 100, para makadawat na taog 100,000. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ma. Minaw to, matagaan pa ka. O dagang birthday. Maabot. Minaw to, gagag na yung lawas, uban sa inyong pamilya. God bless po. Salamat po sa inyong pagpangga sa inyong mga pagumangkol. Happy birthday!
Hi Mama Aliha, happy 60th birthday po. I hope you enjoy your day, more birthdays to come, and amping palagi. Bye!
Happy birthday. Salamat sa support mo. I pray na patuloy kang gabayan ni Lord, and I pray na long life and health and love from Jesus Christ. Thank you sa support mo palagi. Love you, ma.
Hi, ma. Happy 60th birthday. I wish you all the best and good health every day. And I love you. Hope to see you soon. Once again, happy birthday, ma.
Happy birthday, Ma Aliha. Many more birthday to come. Love you. Dudong Kibdon and Dunang. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Mama Aliha. Happy birthday. God bless you always. Stay guwapag yapon. Greetings from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Kyo, love you.
Hey ma, happy birthday. Unda tagang gulit sa Ginoo ug tagaan kang taas na kinabuhi.
Hi ma, happy birthday. Unta na enjoy ra kasi mong day ron, ma. Hello, si Uy.
Dahlia, happy birthday! Dahil mong idadrag na sa isinta na pag-ambot sa Ginoo nga tagaan pagkataas na kinabuhi.
Kami na doon. Ay ma, happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa imo. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Inday! Pag-amping nila, hindi mo kamu mabrutong, nagtiro ka roon. Kaya mo mag-birthday. Kami, tiro, malas kami. Happy birthday na lang.
Happy 16th birthday!
Happy 60th birthday, Lola!
Happy birthday, Lola! God bless you! Happy birthday, Day! Daot ka na may kag-flower chicken. Good health always. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy 60th birthday, Mama Aliha!
Happy birthday 60. Mats Alihat, God bless your family. Many birthday to comes in your life. God bless you.
Happy 60th birthday! God bless!
Yeah, he was being